Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have admin rights and the scanner installed. Open it now and pick your interface. Start by entering the target range, for example 192, 168, 1, 0/24, and choose a lightweight ping or TCP/SYN scan to discover live hosts quickly. Once done, set a sensible timeout and thread count so scans don't overload devices. Make sure to add any exclusions like known printers. You're acting deliberately. Small initial scans reveal topology, and they reduce noise while gathering facts for the next step. Now analyze the discovered hosts. Review MAC addresses to confirm device types, check vendor tags, and note open ports. You'll run targeted service probes on suspicious ports to identify running software and possible vulnerabilities. Make sure to adjust probe intensity to avoid crashes. Once you've refined results, filter duplicates and correlate data with DHCP logs. Export the clean dataset as CSV or JSON so you can compare scans over time, track changes, and plan any follow-up actions or deeper vulnerability tests. Finish by saving your scan profile and documenting the settings, time, and anomalies so your work is reproducible. You should schedule regular scans and enable alerts for new hosts or unexpected open ports. This keeps visibility continuous and actionable. If a scan fails or misses devices, verify admin permissions, confirm firewall or router filters aren't blocking probes, and reduce parallelism to avoid rate limit blocks. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun a focused scan from a different subnet or machine to rule out local network filtering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.